Listen, if you are interested in OLSP Academy, you want to join, so this video is for you because I'm going to break down what it is and how you can get paid, how you're gonna make money with it. And the reason why I make it because I love this system, and I'm going to show you exactly everything about it. So guys, OLSP, it stands for One Lead System Pixel. One Lead System Pixel. Basically, you're gonna sell everything, the product that they have inside. You're gonna get paid if you start with $7, which is a low ticket, and probably everyone has $7 because they have mid ticket and high ticket affiliate sales. So mid ticket is around 99 to 297. High ticket it's 1000. So a lot of people will say, okay, who's the crazy that is going to pay 1000? But actually, if you go to Facebook group, there are people making more than that. Yes, people are going to purchase from you if you are a good marketer. So since I'm a beginner, I can say I'm not the good marketer, but actually I'm trying every day to learn, to improve in order to build my business online. So you have a one-time offer and there is some upsells, like I told you. So lifetime, you pay once, so they don't charge you. And actually is through one thing that we call mega link. So actually, let me show you this because people are getting confused about it. So here, this is my mega link. If I copy this, this is where you're gonna get people opting in and get into inside OLSP system. So once they get in, they purchase something as a product, or by becoming just a member, they're going to pay $7. You're gonna get paid $7, which is amazing. So let's say if someone from your leads or your team wants to upgrade, actually he's doing great, he wants to upgrade, so he's going to ask you about what type of product that is going to help him in certain tasks. So for example, building an email list. So we have, for example, how to get leads, for example, how to grow Facebook group. So everything is inside, and like I told you, each person is going to upgrade or purchase a product because he's going to help his business in order to grow. You're gonna get a commission from which is from $7. Like I told you, what is mega link? One-time payment of $7 lifetime. So they don't charge you monthly for that. You pay once. You can still get everything inside as product. If you want to upgrade, like I told you, you need either to go to your sponsor or figure out the things that you want to buy as a product in order to help your business. So the more you make commissions, the more you're gonna upgrade because you see that huge growth. So basically you're gonna make more commissions, and actually until you start making mid-ticket affiliates or high-ticket affiliate. A link, it has an access to a huge system that help us make money, 100% commission per sale, which is amazing. So let's say I have this $7 product. You will buy a $7 product from me. I will get $7 commission, which is 100% commission per sale. So 10 mega link is equal to $70, which is amazing. The minimum withdrawal it's around $50, and basically you can maximize this with getting leads. So for example, let's say that you bring in 5 people, so you can maximize the amount of reaching the threshold, which is the minimum withdrawal, about $50, by something we called Comment Dominator Pro, which is free. We make money by getting inside OLSP with $7 for free. And actually we get paid from commenting on WineCrowy Facebook posts. So basically everything inside is going to show you exactly how to make comments, all that stuff. So engageable comments, no thanks, like this bullshit comments that you've seen. So engageable comments, something that has a relationship with the webinars or the lives or the videos or something that you feel that you need to ask questions. So basically it should be something relevant and reliable. So like I told you, comment Dominator Pro. So there is another thing that you can maximize. You can get the magic link, which is another thing that you can buy $7, so you can get leads, and they have something they call TD pages. So they're going to make small pages. You're gonna test it. It's $47 in order to get leads. So basically WineCrowy is going to tap to his email list and send you leads. And by the way, you can promote anything, any offer that has a relationship with making money. So you will get 30 cents for each comment, and also you will get paid by clicks. So if someone clicks on your offer, you can get paid, but it should be the same offer like WineCrowy are telling us to do. But even that, you can still try it. So there is a trial for $7. I think it's 13 days, 2 weeks. You can cancel anytime. So if you like it, you won't just get leads and try to build your email list. The core of making sale is, we know that it's about email list, a huge email list. So one lead is equal $1, so you can get many commission, you're still making money. So this is why I choose it, because I want to build my email list and still getting paid in the same time. So I'm going to commissions in order to show you guys. So yeah, I purchased the magic link in order to see exactly what's going on, and as you can see, I get paid 30 cents. So there is no bullshit, no lies, nothing, and I get paid 21. So basically I spent $13. Now I'm at $23. I didn't even promote it because I didn't understand it at the first time, but now this is why I made this video for you guys, in order to well explain it to you. So basically you are making money through FB comments. You're gonna still get paid 25 cents per comment. So once you make your own purchase, which is $7, you're gonna every time you're gonna get 25 cents per comment. Let's go to dashboard. Actually, let's go to Commenter Pro. Let's see exactly if there is some available comments we need to make. So we go to post. So you go to post inbox table. So you can see, guys, that this is all the posts that I comment on by just following videos. So basically there is no post here. So every time I just log in to my dashboard, I found something here, I'm going to engage comments, and I still getting paid, which is amazing. So they're helping everyone in order to making money. Like I told you here, I don't have anyone that joined under OLSP. Reason why is because I was focusing on something else. That's why I'm get back now. I'm going to crush it with it. So feel free to subscribe in order to see my journey with OLSP. I'm at $23, which is amazing. I spent $14. Now I'm at 23. Amazing. I learned everything there. So Facebook marketing, everything. commissions. So we get commissions all type of products from $7 to 10,000. So a lot of people, they don't know that there is a high commission, high ticket commission you can get, which is getting paid 10,000 for solo ads and get access to one-on-one coaching with Wayne. So this is for solopreneurs. So this is for people that are questioning it, they're making high ticket affiliate. So we're going to tap to a $1,000 solo ads, and I'm telling you, you know exactly, if someone has high buyers, you connect them with the right offer, you're gonna crush it, you're gonna make a lot of money. So we have, guys, Facebook one-on-one training, which is free, like I told you, $7. So we help people growing their profiles. So probably I made a mistake, okay, their profiles. So basically what you're gonna get from Facebook one-on-one training is helping people to build their profile into professional lead generation funnels. If you heard someone that is telling you guys that people are getting paid from their Facebook profile and they act like an ATM machine, this is basically what you're gonna get from the Facebook one-on-one training. We have a traffic challenge, which is free organic traffic for life, so you still get paid. We have another thing, which is context and leaderboard. Wineco is helping people in order to make another extra money, which is the first one will get the highest points, around $10,000. So point per sale, the points are per sale, so each sale is going to get you a point, which is amazing. So the top 20 for the context is between $50 and $10,000. So you can count this, guys. We have Facebook community support, like I told you. Even if your sponsor is not actually here, or maybe he's busy, because sometimes people are busy, or maybe they have something, but even that, we have a Facebook community support, so it's going to give you anything, you can ask question, everything, and you can get access to the group of 1,050 marketers to learn and grow. So basically, not only going to get a Facebook community support, but actually going to connect with open-minded entrepreneurs and marketers, and each one, if you ask, probably you get an answer, probably people, because we are doing the same, promoting the same, and trying to build our business, because once you build it, like I told you, you can promote anything, not just wine crowy business, but actually you can promote anything that you feel that is going to help someone. So we have between 2 to 3 new product launch with live webinars. So webinars is amazing, this is when you get the most value. So like I told you, our offer is priceless, because we have training videos, we have live calls, we have documents, scripts, and also DMs, in order to show you exactly how to deal with people, which is leads. Basically, you need to DM them and build a relationship. So there is a script if you want to close a sale, or maybe try to build at least the relationship between people that are interested, in order to build the same, which is a business, an affiliate business, which is amazing. So you're gonna get 2,000 posts, so you can post those posts, and 5,000 reels, a private team group for fast business growth. So all that thing, guys, I'm going to give it for free. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave my Facebook also, so if you join me, feel free to DM me. I'm going to give you the document, the scripts, content, everything you need. So I'm going to give you in order to get you on the track. So maybe if you are doing reels, so you can get the 5,000 reels. It's about motivational videos, inspirational videos, top CEOs, top celebrity people, so you can just repost that on your Facebook profile or maybe on Instagram in order to get people on leads. And everything, like I told you, everything is inside: how to grow the business, how to get leads, how to get sales, how to not feel spammy, how to do real business is inside. Because like I told you, there is amazing things here. Also we have mistakes, people that are making mistakes. You're gonna see them, and basically you're gonna know at the end what the mistakes that you are making, because I was from a lot of people, like a lot of people that are making mistakes every day. Because I was thinking that building a business about just throwing links, going to Pinterest and do many things, but it's not about that. It's about building a foundation. It's building something sustainable that's going to pay you on the long run, which is evergreen, and building an email list, not doing too many tasks, and just focusing on the real people that is going to work with you. So that's why I'm going to leave my Facebook in case you want to join OLSP, guys. It's amazing. I mean, with $7 you can get, I mean, a lot of shit. I mean, a lot of money, instead of going and paying a lot of money on this shit, warrior plus MMO things, and following videos, following all that stuff. So why not just to focus on marketing one thing, talking to one thing? These things I didn't know, even didn't know at first time, guys, but thanks to my sponsor and this program, now I'm feeling that I'm in the right path. And beware of marketers that is going to reverse engineering every video, because everybody that is putting videos or content, probably this is for a reason, which is making money. So you need to understand that, because I was a victim of that, because I was thinking that this system is not worthy. I was thinking that this is not a great product, because I need to see those flashy things and cars on that stuff. So OneCrow is not showing cars, is not showing Lamborghinis, is not showing all that stuff. It's real guy just sitting down in his desk, in his chair, and walking you through how to get in leads, how to talk to people, how to make money and build your business. If you think that this is not for you, this is not for you. No harsh, no feelings, no other things. If you like this video, guys, give it a like, share it with people if you feel that this business is going to help you, because I'm documenting my failure and my success, so both sides. Thank you, guys. See you with another video. Talk to you soon. Bye.